quick. I want to go over. This is this Dodge Journey that I was working on. What was it, last week? We just got the transmission in. I'm putting it in now. 41 TE. It's not the 62 TE. This is the 41 TE. 4-speed, torque rating of 1. T transverse, and E is electronic. 41 TE transmission. Now listen, let me go over something real quick with y'all. Remember I talked about how the mating surface between the transmission and the engine block need to be perfect so this flywheel won't come apart, damage the flywheel. Now on those 62 TE, they use a totally different dial pin than this one. Okay, they use a solid dial. This one it has a hole in it and it seems to fit perfect. I have yet to replace a flywheel on the 41 TE. Not saying that it can't happen or it won't happen. I'm just saying, man, it could be something Christ will need to look into. As you know, the marriage between the transmission and the block engine need to be really flat and not moving at all. If so, you know, when you start the car, you can easily damage your flywheel. And engineers come up with a problem with some of the engines had a problem with dial pins, so they started asking us to replace the dial pin every time we remove it. Now, the thing about that is, like I say, these dial pins are totally different than the 62 TE found on the minivans and some of the cars. So that may be something they ought to look into. Of course, we're done with the 4-speed automatic transmission and the 6-speed, so they could care less at this point. Okay, that's old technology. Nobody's going backwards to find out what went wrong on a 62 TE or a 41 TE for that matter. So now back to this transmission. Yes, I am replacing it. It became a matter of, is it worth rebuilding versus replacing it? Now, as you know, or maybe you don't know, this transmission will come with a 3-year, 100,000-mile warranty. That is extremely good. Okay. Now, and I don't know, Chrysler pretty lenient on that. They don't really ask, have you serviced it? If this transmission go out and within 3 years, 100,000 miles, they can simply give you a new one. But I highly suggest you not do that. I mean, service the transmission at its recommended interval, which in some cases in 60,000 miles, depending on how you drive. Okay, but this was my car. Of course, I would build it. Give me a new torque converter and an overhaul kit, and I can make this transmission better than the ones that come out of some of the reman plants. I go through mine very carefully and I do everything right, but it became a matter of cost efficient. Will it make sense to repair this, overhaul, versus replacing it? Now, I'm not going to make as much money as I would rebuilding it versus replacing it, because at this point it's just a swap out, take out, put in. Okay, but had I overhauled it, yes, I probably would have got 15, 16 hours. All right, so it is, and you're only going to get a 1-year warranty on those parts. So again, it becomes a strategic thing to do, and like a strategy, a cost-efficient thing to do. Simply replace the unit, get you a 3-year, 100,000-mile warranty, and it should be good. But I guess we'll make the moral of this video, the moral of the story is, even with a new unit, you still should service it when you're supposed to. So whatever the miles on it now, in 60,000 miles, I suggest you drop this pan and replace the filter and go in with new ATF Plus 4 fluid. Okay? Alright, that's pretty much all I have, man. Just looking around, nothing particular. This is a 4-cylinder. Pretty easy to yank this out. Motor mounts, starter right here, throttle body. I might go in there and clean a little bit of that gunk out of there. Just a nice guy like that. Don't forget your ground wire. These things leaks all the time. It's a good time to see if it's leaking, and it actually is not leaking, so no need messing with that. And just everything in this area looks pretty good. So now I'm finna go in with this brand new 41 TE automatic transmission, okay, formerly known as the A604. All right, that's all I have, man. I'm gonna get this in. No sense me recording this y'all know how a transmission go in, and I can't record it anyway. I'm at a different location right now, so all I can do is talk in here. All right, so that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Don't forget to service these transmissions.